All right, let's see if I can do this tutorial for a side braid. So I know my hair looks amazing, but it's so dirty. Like if I got a close-up shot, you can see it's just dirty. It's nasty. So here's what I do to get one more day without washing. I know that sounds terrible, but I'm sorry. I'm just lazy sometimes, and I figure if it looks good, who cares? All right, so you need bobby pins and you need a rubber band. So you need to put the bobby pin in your mouth because that's just the only way to do it. So I always just take this side. Oh, it's hard to see it. I need like a white background. I just start twisting across. So twisting across. Hope you can see that. Not really good with like tutorial ideas. I just twist all the way across, and then I'm sticking bobby pins. Just stick them in all over the place. And this is another one that's like, who cares if it's perfect? Just do it. Look at, I got this like 80s hair going on. 80s hair. All right, so I've got some bobby pins in. Sometimes I put more. It's gonna be a little bushy on this side. And like after, you can pull it out, you know, fluff it up on the top. Sometimes I leave little curly bangs out, but they're just all so gross and messy. So I'm pinning them all back today. I just don't want to mess with it. So usually I just put one right here if I'm pinning my bangs back. And then you section it off. It doesn't have to be perfect either. It doesn't matter if you have one chunk that's larger than the other. It really doesn't. I just start braiding. I try and keep it loose. And I just go down, and you have to pull apart the sections that are all stuck together. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So easy. Okay. So I have this like poofy thing going on over there, but we can fix that. Don't you worry. All right. So bobby pin, or what's this called? Hair tie? Elastic? I don't know. You gotta just pull it out. See? Pull out. You can pull out some little curlies. And then I just take this fluffy part and I pull it back a little. Stick another pin in. Look at that! That was so fast, so easy. I look like I'm hair professionally done. I kid you not. I used to straighten my hair for years. What was wrong with me? Look how fast and easy this is. I haven't washed my hair all week. There you go. There's my side braid Katniss tutorial. I'm sure it would work too with straight hair. I bet you could do that. You know, get a little wave in body. Just curl, braid down the side. You know, you can tuck it in, fluff it up however you want. There you go. There's another tutorial for you. Mwah!